Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you a very beginner-friendly way to play every praise. So what I'll do first of all is play the progression and then I'll break it down. Later on in the video, I'll also show you how to play the intro as well, okay? So here we go. Okay, that was the progression. I'll be breaking it down now for you. So the chords we're playing is C. So on the left hand, you can either use one finger here or you can use two. And here you can play this C chord, so C, E, and G. So how to find C, okay, just in case, you're just starting out. So you see this black keys, there's 2 and there's 3. It's on the left side of the 2. So, and the chords also start from there as well, as you can see. Every praise is to our God. Then we go on to 8. Every word of worship in one accord. Sorry, don't mind my voice. I'm not a singer, not a good singer. I'm just doing this for the tutorials, so please understand me. After that, we go to F. Every praise is to our God. So we'll do it one more time. Every praise, so that's C, it's to our God. Then to A, then F, then G. So this is an inverted C here. So with this C, previously I just showed you C, E, and G. You can also, this G can be played here. So it's the same G. So you can do G, C, and E. I actually prefer to play this one mostly on the right hand side. So play it one more time, then I'll add the extra parts for you to see as well. So what I'm doing here, just bringing it down and back up, leaving the G, but moving C and E. And I know this might be complicated for if you're just starting out, but you can always pause the video, start it again, slow it down, whichever way works for you. I'm trying to make this tutorial as beginner friendly as possible. I'm also playing it on the key of C as well, which is one of the easiest keys to play. And just considering anyone who wants to start playing, playing at church. In my other videos, I'll be showing you how to do a transpose, things like that, just in case you need to find the key for the choirs. So back to it. Every praise is to our God. Okay. Then the A, playing the A, so you can use one finger if you like. And here I've got the A chord on the right side, then again bring it down and up again. So down once, up twice. Then F. So with the F there's no movement. Then to G, then going to C. You play the C first here, then is it's like going up. Before you land on C, you just play G once. So I'll play at a normal pace so you can have a look and see how it sounds. Okay, so So that's how to play that part. Like I said, please feel free to rewind it, get it, take notes. I'll be writing the names of the chords in this video when I do the edit as well, so it's easier for you to write down as well. So the next part is the intro that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So I'll play it first again, and then I'll break it down, okay? So on the left hand, we're doing the same progression, the same movement really. So what we'll do with our right hand, we'll play the tonic surface of this. That's the easy way to play it. So same movement on the left hand. Here we're playing mi, re, fa, mi. So I'm assuming by now you know your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Because we're playing on C, so our do is starting here on the C, which I've showed you, which is on the left side of this. So do, re, mi, re, fa, mi. Okay, so when we go to A, play the same thing here. Again, we'll move to F, which is next. So a way to make it sound good is you're playing a progression on the left, but here, as you're playing the tonic surfer, this will take a little bit of practice, but believe me, it's easy when you just do a bit of repetition. So just playing G, you know, wherever I play on the tonic surfer, I'm just literally landing also on G here. So what I also do is I land on the chord first before I play that tonic surfer. There's another part I actually want to show you as well. So after every praise at the end, I'm sure you've heard this. So how you play that is do, mi, sol, la, do. Every praise is to our God. Every word of worship in one accord. Every praise is to our God. So you get the idea. So I've covered the main part of the song. So just keep practicing, practice with your choir, practice if you're a singer, you know, unlike me. You can practice, and eventually you'll get it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me grow this channel. I'm trying to reach out to more people and teach and encourage more people to pick up an instrument and learn, and you can do it. If you want to start playing at your church, you absolutely can do it. I'll be dropping more videos like this, beginner-friendly videos for you, mostly on C. I'll also be showing you how to transpose in a later video.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.